Get ready for grilling season with grilled portobello mushrooms. They're great as a main course, or you can slap them on a burger bun and dig in. I like to cook them on an outdoor grill, but if it's raining outside, use an indoor grill pan. When you look underneath your portobello mushroom, you'll see the stem, and you can pull that out. You could either use a knife, but it also comes out just fine with your hands, and just real quickly it comes out. And then the gills on the bottom, you can eat them if you want to just leave them as is, but it can produce like a brown liquid when it's cooking, so it's a little prettier if you remove them, and they come off super easy with a spoon just by sort of gliding the spoon along. And then when you get done, it'll look like that underneath. Then we're gonna make a really simple marinade. So you use some oil. I used avocado oil, or you could do olive oil, red wine vinegar, some minced garlic, or if you want to use a garlic press or grated garlic, that works too. You have some dried oregano, dried basil, dried parsley, or if you want to use an Italian seasoning blend, that also works. Some pepper, and a little bit of salt. So you'll mix that all up, and then add your portobellos to it, and get them nice and coated all around. Really get in there, make sure all of it's covered. Then let them marinate for 30 minutes to an hour. Once the portobellos have marinated, pop them on the grill. Grill for 4 or 5 minutes until they have nice dark grill marks. Then flip them over and grill another 4 or 5 minutes. You can serve grilled portobellos as a main course with cookout favorites like potato salad or corn on the cob, or slap it on a burger bun and dig in. You can find the complete recipe at kadriskitchen.com. Enjoy.